What's going on, guys? It's Doniel again. How y'all doing? Just got a chance to get a break so I can actually come and do my live today. Hoping everybody is also doing well. Hoping everybody's being safe out there. A couple of different updates I wanted to share with you guys. And wanted to actually go over some things that I've been seeing out here and just kind of, check in with everybody, man. So if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Doniel Lovely. I'm the owner of Refund Tax Solutions, where we actually help small business owners increase their revenue, decrease their tax liability, tax planning, tax strategies, as well as helping real estate investors save the least amount of taxes as well, right? So now we're in the first of the month. We're in March 1st. I'm literally here at my office, been here all morning, trying to help my clients with their refunds and checklists and things like that they got going on, and checking their statuses or still completing individual tax returns. But now it's time my attention to turn to more of my business owners, right? Because if you are a small business owner, if you're a corporation and you have some type of employees, or you classify as a 1120 client, then S-Corp, C-Corporation, then you have a tax deadline due date of March 15th and not the April 18th deadline, right? So it's imperative that you be able to get your documents in order so that you can have your stuff filed by the due date of what's called March 15th. And then if you don't have that, you actually have, failure to file penalties. If you owe the S-Corp, C-Corp S-Corp don't really owe taxes, but you have those penalties. You may have some extensions and things like that to do. But in order to actually have your personal taxes done correctly, you have to have filed all your information for your S-Corp, right? It's going to have a K-1, things like that is going to occur. And some of the times that, we may not know if we are S-Corp, or if we are S-Corp, we're thinking that we have to file it on our personal taxes. So let me break it down to you in layman's terms, right? So if you elect to file a S corporation, what that means is you, as the entity or business owner, business, like either you're a LLC or a partnership or a C corporation, wants to elect to use a S corp status, you're going to fill out a specific form and get accepted by the IRS. Once they accept it, then you have until the 15th day of the third month to file tax returns for that entity, okay? And then if you have anything flow through, it's gonna flow through your personal, which you have to file on your personal taxes as well, and that due date normally is April the 15th. But this year, we got a few more days because of different holidays in Washington that we're gonna actually extend that out until the 18th of April, okay? So again, the corporation taxes are due at one time, and then the individual taxes are due at a different time. So it's not all at the same time. So I see a lot of people have that confused when we're actually talking about those different type of corporations. Now, a lot of the benefits for the corporations, a lot of the write-offs, a lot of the deductions, a lot of the credits that they've been passing out with these new laws are in effect this year. And we don't know if that's going to sunset or not. We don't know if they're going to be extended or not. But making sure that you have your information in time and early, because it's the first. Now you got about 14 days to be able to get that stuff in before it's done, right? Normally you're going to fill out Form 1120S, and you have any type of attachments that needs to go inside of that based on your income, based on the shareholder amounts. Based on any of those type of factors, that's going to actually allow you to be able to, understand what your personal responsibilities are. So now you can transfer that from that K-1 over into your personal tax return, right? And you avoid the SE tax, which that's 15.5% that you avoid when you actually, incorporate yourself as an S-Corp. Now, if you have not incorporated yourself, right? If you started a business in this year and you should be incorporating yourself, you have 45 days in order to be able to have that election filed, right? You're going to file the 2553, and you're going to file that form with the IRS, and then you're going to wait a few months. They're going to be able to get back to you, and have that election be granted. And then you have the next year, you should be able to file before that third month, the 15th day of the third month as well, which is March the 15th. All right. So if you're having issues, if you don't know if you qualify for S-Corp status, if you don't know if you're already submitted as an S-Corp, or if you're already trying to figure out, should I be an S-Corp for this year or not? Couple of things to kind of consider when you want to figure that out, right? One is you can't have no more than one type of stock, right? One type of stock, limited to 100 shareholders, and you must pay yourself what's called a reasonable salary to be qualified as an S-Corp. And you also may be able to submit the elections on time, right? And again, that's 45 days before, after your initial, when you first incorporate your business, when you start your business. And then you have another, you can get up to 75 days, but, there are some different types of, statutes for that as well. So I hope this helps. I just want to jump in real quick because I got a couple people that been asking me some of those questions. And I actually put a couple of links in the bio to get those questions answered. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel. I've been on YouTube for a minute, asking a lot of people questions, putting out new content. So guys, just kind of check in with me as I keep, educating and giving information out. And we'll actually talk to them. If you need to have a consultation with me, I'll put the link in there in the bio as well. It's already in the bio. So just book a session with me. And if you need to get your taxes done, go ahead and book the enroll link as well. So now you can get your taxes done and everything like that. Okay. So guys, my name is Doniel Lovely. I'm with Lovely Financial Services, Refund Tax Solutions. We actually help small business owners reduce their taxes, increase their revenue with tax planning, tax strategies, also tax reduction, implementation, business funding, business credit, and all those things in your financial freedom. All right. Talk to you soon, and have a good day. Bye.